Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image in your chosen editor and isolating the subject right away. Use Quick Selection for speed or the pen tool for precision because a clean selection saves time later. Once selected, add a layer mask instead of erasing pixels so you can refine edges. Make sure to toggle the mask view to inspect hair and fine details. If areas are missing, paint white on the mask to reveal or black to hide. This sets a non-destructive foundation for changing the background. Once the subject is masked, refine the edges. Smooth or feather subtly, increase mask contrast for crisper borders, and use a hair-refine brush for wisps. Next, place the new background layer beneath the subject and scale, or warp it to match perspective. This makes the composition believable. Then, blend the two by matching color and light. Use curves, levels, or match color to shift tones, and add a global subtle vignette or gradient to unify the scene. Make small adjustments, they compound into realism. Finish by painting shadows and highlights on separate layers. Sample local colors and lower opacity for realism, because shadows ground the subject. Group adjustments, like color balance or selective color, so you can tweak overall harmony, and then export as PNG for transparency or JPG for flattened images. If you see halos or color fringing around edges, expand or contract the mask by a pixel or two, apply a tiny Gaussian blur, and use a decontaminate color blend to remove fringe. This usually cures edge artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.